Meaning of the English idiom, get the last laugh, or have the last laugh. This idiom doesn't have to involve actual laughter, although I suppose it can. To get the last laugh means to be victorious over one's opponents or critics, especially after being doubted. To succeed in the end, even after much difficulty and setback. Examples of use. My boss fired me today, but I'll have the last laugh. What he doesn't know is that I already accepted a position at a competing company at twice the salary. They kept telling me I would never get this project off the ground, but I got the last laugh. They mocked him for taking a role in an action movie, but he had the last laugh when the film became a blockbuster hit. Origin of idiom. This idiom has origins in the 1500s, appearing in a different form regarding laughing at the loser. It is also the origin of the later proverb, "He who laughs last laughs best," or longest.